Oh, so close. One of these days we'll hold hands and be friends. Maybe? Round 3, the third installation. It's time again for the building of a cabana while on house arrest, and I can't venture very far. It's coming together, and I'm doing something, but I suppose the root cause of me doing something is still less than savory. So whenever people ask my parents about me, they just promptly change the subject. So there's that. In the first 2 episodes, we commit battery while listening to Battery. Kicking down the unnecessary walls in the cabana to make it more spacious and not sit at a bar staring directly at a wall. No one wants to do that. Then, I drew everything out on graph paper while eating stood-up waffles, ran some wiring, prepped a floor, put up a wall and bar tops with all of the reclaimed 2x4s and the plywood from the aforementioned knockdown wall, and then tiled the bar and the area around and put up a 65-inch TV by myself, which I don't exactly recommend, unless you are someone that enjoys riding the struggle bus to school. All of this to make the best use of my time since I was laid up in bed recovering, and I tried watching television to see what was on or considered to be entertainment today, and I was, in a word, flabbergasted.
Hey, going on, Abby.
Hi, Abby. Matt, lovely to meet you.
What do you do?
I'm a astrophysicist.
Okay, I'm a Gemini.
That's it? You were just gonna leave without saying anything? You're just gonna take off for Thailand to build houses for all of those elephants?
I too want to build houses for the elephants! But then, oh wait, yes. And then I said, I think it's time to get out of bed, and to get to work. So I invited over some friends that happen to professionally do stone countertops since I knew that wasn't something I wanted to take on by myself, nor did I have the adequate tools. So we'll just pick up right where we left off. And here we go. Captain's log, we have the top piece on. All ready to go, just leveling it out. Here is our side waterfall piece in the 45-degree angle. Alright, so this is the other side of the island. We've got our epoxy in underneath. We are currently shipping it to get it perfectly level. Gotta have that true level, you know.
Oh my true level bit.
Navaldo used pound. Yeah, alright, I'll see myself out. Cue music. Combining like terms over here, we've got our 45s now meshed together. We've got the epoxy on. We're letting it cure. And yeah, it's looking great. We'll just add some more polymers and blend and smooth that all right out. But yeah, it'll look seamless when all done. Ew! All right, and here's what that final polished look is. Yeah, boy! Looking nice. All right. Let's hone it all together. Waterfall. Neat. From this cropped aspect ratio, it looks like I'm almost done, but I'm not. Alright, the night is dark and full of terrors. We are out here. I mean, by out here, I mean I live here, so... yeah. Anyways, countertops are in. Looking good. This is painted up black. Still got all my protective layers and everything because we're not fully done with the ceiling yet. Don't you know. Anyways, this counter is in as well. Painted black. Got that little, so yeah, I'm gonna be buttoning that up. I'm not gonna leave wires like a rookie. making a speaker grate for up above for the 5.1 system. You can see barely from this vantage point the cut that's above the TV speakers, so that the TV isn't blocking the speakers, because nobody wants that. Here's what the grate looks like when it gets clicked into place. Nice and seamless. Happy with it. Covers up the speaker. I don't have the obstruction of a sound bar put into the right here into the tile, so up above it's definitely a little bit more hidden away. This will be better acoustically too, because the ceiling vaults up, and instead of having the direct ones right at your face, which these two are already doing over here and over here, doing the direct at your ears, having this one up above is important for the true surround sound. As if it wasn't obvious that I'm very picky about my audio. I mean, fun fact, that's what I actually went to school for, so. It's like you still try to use those skills, don't you? You should at least hope you can. All right, we out here at the Countertop at the Home Depot, and I had to pause this video to share with you some important stuff. Tesla people are definitely their own breed, that's for sure. And this man, I observed him go in and come out. He synchronized with me for the errands, and he had his own handsaw in the back of the vehicle so that he could cut the lumber to just fit in the back of that Y. I, for one, have placed 8-foot length boards in the back of a Tesla while patiently awaiting some battery box electric truck, which now several of them are here. But this is just something to behold. I wonder if he sawed off his own pants to make those shorts. They sure look like it. And if it sounds like it, I'm definitely not above this. I've done it myself. Let he who is without sin cast the first kidney stone, or whatever the proverb is. I'm really enjoying that. There it is. It's been cut. Oh, can't get the sawdust in places. Gotta be careful. All right, just place that in here. Let's see how we're doing. This guy's checking him out. All right, yeah. Comes out of his F-150. Boy, oh boy. What a sight. Yep, press the button. I'm on my way. He's on his way. He's gonna go secure the load on the other side. And love it. You love to see it. Alright, so this style of outlet gives me an unnecessary amount of joy. Practical for all plugins? No. But I'm not charging a computer on this one with some 140-watt honker burger.
The new kid wants 3 moo cows, 1 no cukes, 1 no sneakers, 1 wet one, 4 tubers, and 4 for the vine.
So this is what we've got going on for the front with the island. So we've got the reveal from the side of the 3 feet for the waterfall, and that's gonna then turn into these lovely dark wood slats to echo the dark wood that is up above. So we're doing that. I've got this black aluminum channel, and this is what is going to be utilized for the LED light. So this beam is pretty fantastic, actually. I'll plug it in over in my new outlet over yonder. Boop. This is like a lightsaber. microphone's gonna go all over the place as I do this. Yeah. You know, it's funny, when I first started doing LEDs as a teenager in cars, they were all those old school individual ones, and now they come in these wonderful light beams. You pay a little bit more, but boy is it worth it. It's got that diffusion, so it just gives a solid light. So that's where we're at. Anyways, that will be running through the channel. I mean, it has a further diffusion that I don't think will be necessary, but I guess if anybody's being a stickler and looking up, they'll get to see it and be like, oh wow, that looks nice. The main point though was that if you're out in the pool, you are at this level and you'd really see it. So having that diffused is key. Coming along, getting excited. Yeah. Here's the power switch for the lights, so when you hit this, yeah, buddy, a little soft on, soft off feature. Really excited about how the lights look, the glow that they give you for the island, so this is looking really sweet. It's really coming together, so when you're looking at it from this angle, it's just like, oh, hey, oh, Yahtzee, all right, cool. That's enough for now, so comment the name of your favorite animal if you would like to see more of this. Actually, there's going to be more of this no matter what, but still, like to know your favorite animal and I'll pull this all together. So until then, I hope you have a lovely day. Bye! He's back! Just like measure twice, cut once. He's like, no, you know what, hold on. Is this wood secure? One should always secure their wood.